Another fine vehicle offered by ReagorAutoMall.
This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 37,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
ReagorAutoMall is located at 1211 19th Street in Lubbock. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.